Okay, so we'll start. Once again, good afternoon to everyone who joined just now. Can anyone please confirm I'm audible?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yeah, thank you. So, as you people get to know in WhatsApp message that we will be starting from scratch. So, we will be starting from scratch. Okay. So, I will be opening the new Microsoft Excel sheet for you people. Okay. So, what is Microsoft Excel? Can anyone of you tell me what is Microsoft Excel? Okay, all of you are comfortable with English, or shall I use Hindi? Is it okay? Is it okay?
Okay, with English.
So, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to record, analyze the numerical data. Like when we were in our childhood stage, like when we were in 8th or 9th standard, and we used to go in computer labs, and there we used to have hands-on Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint, but we were never introduced to Excel. And I personally hated Excel when I was in in ninth standard, because Excel is like box and box. There is nothing to insert. There is nothing like picture, text, etc. So yes, but back then I was not knowing anything about Excel. But now, as I'm engineer, as I'm a data analyst, got to know about Excel, and I came to know that the Excel is most powerful tool used in industry, because as I said, it is a spreadsheet program which is used for recording and analyzing numerical data. Okay, so we will be introducing ourselves with the user interface of Excel. So first of all, this is called as column. Okay, this is called as column. The vertical part, of the spreadsheet is called as column. This one. Okay, I'm marking it in yellow, like this is column. Okay, and this is row. This is column and this is row. The vertical part is column, horizontal part is row. Understood? Now we will go to the naming of this. Like columns are named in alphabet, like A, B, C, D up to Z. After Z, it will be AA, AB, AC, AD, and so on. Whereas the column are named numerical, like first column, second column, third column, fourth column, and so on. Okay. Now, what is the intersection of this row and column? Okay, I will show you. Just remove. Let me remove this. Like I am taking each column. Okay, I am taking each column. I'm just all borders. I request everyone to please join on time, please. Please, from next time, please join on time. Okay, so I had taken the eighth column, and I'm taking the eighth row. Okay, and I want to have an intersection of these two. Like intersection of these two is this one, which I am coloring in like blue. So this was column, this was column, this was row. Then what is this blue? This is called as cell. Understood? Is it clear till this point? Please let me know by typing yes in chat
हाँ
box.
भैया.
Yeah. So this was row, this was column, and this was cell. Now let's have some introduction about naming. Like I already told you that columns are named in alphabet, rows are named in number, whereas the cell is alphanumerical value. Like this is eighth cell and eighth row. So the name of the cell will be displayed here, which is E8. Understood? Which is E8. Now, if I'm taking this one, then this is Cth column and eighth row. So it will be C8. Okay. Can anyone tell me what will be the cell number of this
N10.
N10? Because it is written here. Okay. It is written here. But sometimes you have to try without looking at this part. Okay. So I hope the this part, what we can say, the cell, column, and row part is clear for everyone. Like I have 24 participants, excluding me 23. I want to have yes from 22 participants. Like if you understood, please type yes. Please do it quick. If you understood. If you have understood this, I will repeat. Yeah, thank you. Remaining candidates, is it clear to you?
Yeah, clear.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so the next part is the ribbon. Okay, so what is ribbon? This part, the file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data review, view, help, power pivot, and all of this, all the things coming under this is called as ribbon. Okay, we'll understand this ribbon in detail. Wait a second, wait a second. Yeah. So here the ribbon is divided into several parts. Okay. So this is called as the ribbon tabs like home, insert, page layout, formula, data. These are called as ribbon tabs. Now this section, the font part, this is called as ribbon bar. Understood? The names over here like file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, all of this is called as ribbon tabs, and the section under that is called as ribbon bar. If we are in insert ribbon tab, then this one, the illustration is ribbon bar. If it is page layout, then this theme, page setup, scale to fit are ribbon tabs. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. So these are the ribbon tabs and ribbons, ribbon bar. Okay. Now we will understand the worksheet. Okay. I will clear the worksheet first. I'm clearing everything. Okay. So this is worksheet. I have told you the column. I have told you the rows. I have told you the sheets. Now there is something called a sheet name. So this is sheet one. If I want to add second sheet, then I have to just click on the plus bar. The second sheet will be added. If on the third, then third, fourth, then fourth, and fifth, then fifth. In this way, we are adding the sheets. Like this is sheet one. I am writing here A. This is sheet two. I am writing here B. This is sheet 3. I'm writing here C and so on. So I can create number of sheet as much as I want. Okay. So there is something like called as worksheet and workbook. Okay. What is the difference between worksheet and workbook? Workbook is the main file. Like see here, book one, Excel. This is the this is workbook. Okay. This book one is workbook, and these sheets are worksheet. Like more specifically, I will write here rename worksheet one. Okay, here it will be worksheet two. Okay, here it will be worksheet three, and so on. Is it clear? What is the difference between workbook and worksheet? It is like asked in interview that state the difference between worksheet and workbook. So is it clear for you people that what is the difference between worksheet and workbook?
Yes, Dada.
Bhaiya, please
Yeah.
explain again.
More specifically, you can say that the sheet in the sheet in Excel is called worksheet. Is called worksheet. Whereas workbook is the collection of worksheets. Is it clear? This is the difference between workbook and worksheet. Okay. Now, now let's say I'm confused in worksheet one and worksheet two. I want some like color formatting or something like that. So just go on worksheet one.
Bhaiya,
Yes.
could you explain again the difference in worksheet and workbook?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. See, I will more specifically do one thing. Wait, someone is there. Yeah. So first of all, I will do one thing. Like these are the sheets. Okay. Worksheet one, worksheet two, worksheet three, worksheet four, worksheet five. These are the worksheets inside the Excel file. Okay. This is your main Excel file. What is the name of your main Excel file? It is book one. What is the name of your main Excel file? It is
Book
book
one.
one. Inside this book one, you are having worksheet one, worksheet two, worksheet three, worksheet four, and worksheet five. So these subsheets are known as worksheets. Okay, and the main file, like this book one, is known as workbook. Understood? Like consider it as your notebook. Like pages of notebooks are called as worksheet, and complete book कंप्लीट नोटबुक इज कॉल्ड एज वर्कबुक. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? लाइक आपके नोटबुक को
Yeah.
आप वर्कबुक बोलेंगे और नोटबुक के पेजेस को आप वर्कशीट्स बोलोगे. इज इट
हाँ हाँ,
क्लियर?
समझ गया.
Yeah. Now let's say you have to distinguish between two worksheets. Like then go on worksheet one, right click. After right clicking, you are having the options like protect sheet. This is like we will discuss later, but tab color we will discuss now. Like I have to mark worksheet as orange one, so I will go on orange and I will click on orange. So see, you are having the orange shade there. Okay, I want worksheet 2 as blue, so just right click, tab color, and blue. So this will help you to easily distinguish between sheets. Is it clear? The tab color?
Yes, Dada.
Yes,
Yeah.
Bhaiya.
Yes. So like now I will go to the data types. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is data types? Those who are in third year, like third, second year, they may be knowing one or two programming languages. Can anyone tell me what is data types? Okay, it is a format of data. Okay, in which format your data is stored. Okay, so there are like n number of data types in Excel. We will discuss it one by one. The first data type is whole number. First data type is whole number. Second data type is decimal number. Third data type is Boolean. Don't worry, I will explain one by one. Third is Boolean. Fourth is text. Then it is date. Then it is currency. Then it is like बस इतने ही काफी है आपके लिए. So whole number को देखते हैं पहले. So what is whole number? Whole number is like without decimal point. Like 1 is whole number. Okay. And what is a decimal number? 1.0 is decimal number. Is it clear the difference between whole number and decimal number? Is it clear? Quick.
Yes, Dada.
Yeah.
Yes, Dada.
So 1 is whole number and 1.0 is decimal number. So yes, why you're getting 1 here? Because we need to change the data type, which we will change later on. Just for now, just understand. Okay. So this is 1.0. Though it is looking at 1, but we have typed it as 1.0, or better we will type 1.5 for now. What is Boolean? Boolean is true or false. Okay. True or false. It is Boolean. See, I have typed TRUE, like T is in capital, is in small. When I am typing enter, the word is getting capitalized. It is converted in uppercase. Okay. Why? Because the Excel is like considering it as a Boolean data type. Therefore, it is converted to uppercase. Similar for false, FALSE, false. Okay. So these are the Boolean. Text is the normal text, like TechEdu is text. What is date? Date, like what is today's date? 2 4 2 4 2022. So it is taken as date. Okay. This you can check here. Like click on this and check here. It is date. Click here, check here. It is general. Click here, check here, general. Click here, check here, general. Click here, check here, general. Now why this is general? We will see. Currency. Now I want to have $25. So 25. It is dollar. Okay, $25. Is it clear to everyone?
Clear.
Okay. Now we will see how to convert the data types. Okay. These are the original. Okay. These are the originals. And these are converted. We'll convert 1 to 1.0. How you will convert? Just copy this. Control C. Come here. Control V. Okay. Now go on 1. Go on general and like choose as well, as much as, or choose the format which you want. Okay, so I want number format, so it is 1.0. Okay, now I want to convert this 1.5 to like let's say to the whole number. So I will click here, click on this cell. I will go to this format bar, sorry, go to the number, and I will select the more number format. Okay, after more number format, I will go to the numbers and I will like मुझे कितने decimal places चाहिए, यहाँ पे कितनी एक है, यहाँ पे कितने दो है, तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए, decimal place 0 चाहिए, and I will click on OK. So see, it is rounded off. Rounding off पता है ना, 1.6 को 2 करते हैं, 1.4 को 1 करते हैं, so round off हो गया वो. Is it clear?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay.
Clear.
I will try for true. I'm not sure about the true, but still I will try. Okay. So I will click on true. I will go to general. I will go to number, and I will try that it is getting converted or not. I have to check. So no, I think booleans are not converted. Okay, we cannot convert booleans to like numbers. We have to just replace true by 1 and false by 0 according to our convenience. हाँ, हो गया। इतना ही था इसमें। और एक एक्सेल की खासियत जो रहती है वो मैंने बाकी के सेशंस में बता दी थी, यहाँ पे भी बता देता हूँ। देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन नंबर एंड टेक्स्ट। Can anyone tell me, those who have attended earlier sessions, चलो tell me the difference between the number and text in Excel. क्या एक solid difference रहता है? Quick.
नंबर लेफ्ट साइड से अलाइन होता है और टेक्स्ट
Very
राइट साइड
good.
से।
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So if I'm typing number, like today's date is 02. Okay. So it is automatically getting converted to right. Number are aligned to right. Whereas if I'm typing text like Om, it is aligned to left. This is the property of Excel in which your text is getting aligned to the left, whereas your numbers are getting aligned to the right. Now, हाँ, तो मुझे अगर 2 को करना है लेफ्ट अलाइन तो क्या करूं? Just go on to go to number, change formatting, convert it to text. Is it clear?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so
Clear.
this is how you format the number, but generally you don't need to format the things, just keep it as it is. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everything. Okay, now please type in chat box how many of you are having laptops with you. Then I have to show, like I have to demonstrate one shortcut. Those who are having laptop, please type yes in chat box quick. Okay, Srinivas is having laptop. Okay, so do one thing. Okay, in Excel, I'm just uttering the things what I'm doing at my side. Okay, you are unable to see my laptop, but still I'm uttering the things. You can write it down in your notebook, whatever shortcuts I'm using. Just type Alt. Okay, after typing Alt, see you are getting the like symbols here like F, H, N, P, M, A, R, W, Y, B, 1, 2. Now after typing after typing Alt, you are getting the alphabets for each tab. Like for file tab, you are having F. For home tab, you are having H. These are called as shortcuts. Okay, I'm not using mouse. Okay, I left my mouse. I had typed Alt. Then I will type H. Okay, after H, I got number of another shortcuts label like FF for font, FS for font size, FG for font greater, H for highlight, FC for font color, 1 for bold, 2 for italic, and 3 for underline. Those who were having laptops, is it working at your end? Like,
Yes, Dada, working.
okay. Others, those who are having laptops, is it working at your end?
Yes.
No. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. 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 So I will type my name. Okay. Okay. So I want to convert this text to the bold text. So it will take time for me to hover, like go here, click bold. Okay, I will do this in second. Like Alt, sorry, sorry. I will do this in second. Like Alt H1 bold, Alt H2 italic, Alt H3 U underline. Okay, सी दीज आर इन सेकंड। लाइक अभी एक नाम है तो माउस से भी फास्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर बहुत सारी टेक्स्ट रही तो माउस से करने में टाइम जाता है, सिलेक्ट करने में वगैरह। सो दीज आर द शॉर्टकट्स। ओके, नाउ आई विल explain shortcuts one by one. I will again type the TechEdu. I will type and how I had implemented those shortcuts. I will show. Just go on this cell, click Alt, click H. After clicking H, you are in your home tab. Now, as you can see, below bold there is number 1, below italic number is 2, below underline number is 3. Whatever you will click, that function will get implemented. If I'm clicking 1, then my text will get bold. If I'm clicking 2, then the text will be converted into italic. If I'm clicking 3, then I will be getting two options like underline or dashed underline. I have to select one. So first of all, I will use bold. So Alt H1, bold. Text is converted to bold. Like again, Alt H2, text is converted to italic. Alt H3. Now I got two options like U and D. U is for single underline and D is for double underline. I will click D. See, below TechEdu, you are getting two underlines. You can zoom it from your end. You can clearly see the two underlines. Okay. So this was the implementation of shortcuts. Now, like I am having, what I'm having? I'm having my name again. Okay. I want to change the font color to red and background color to yellow. How can I do it? Like click Alt, click H. For font color, I have to click FC. I got the colors. Like I have to choose the option. Like clicking on the right left button, I will select red color. Okay, as it is my favorite. So I clicked on red. Again, Alt H for background color. I will choose yellow as my background color. Okay. I will convert the text to bold. Alt H1, text is converted to bold. I have to center align it. Like मुझे जो गौरव नाम है वो जो लेफ्ट अलाइन है मुझे वो सेंटर में चाहिए थोड़ा उस सेल के सेंटर में. I will click Alt H. देखो यहाँ पे अलाइनमेंट में ठीक है. AL मतलब अलाइन लेफ्ट, AC मतलब अलाइन सेंटर, AR मतलब अलाइन राइट. So I will click on A and C, align center. Is it clear?
Clear.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay, so I had shown you the implementation of these shortcuts over here. You can practice it at your end. Okay, I will show once again the implementation, or like I will show you the implementation of email ID. Okay, let's say I am having, oh, those who are joining now, please join on time. Please, I'm requesting. I'm typing my email like it's goro@TechEduLearning.com. Okay, this is my email ID. Now, as you can see, the email ID is crossing the tabs. Okay, it had covered the first cell, but it had also covered the second cell. Okay, so how to do? Like, if I'm typing here, the email ID is getting like it is finished. It is like half visible. So how to solve this issue? Just go on this wala tab, like first wala tab where your email ID is starting. Click Alt, click H, and go on merge and center like this. Merge and center. For this, you have to click M. Click M. You are getting options: merge and center, merge across, merge cell, unmerge cell. You have to click C. Okay, C. It is adjusted. Now when I am clicking on this, everything is getting selected. Okay, so this is the feature. Before this, and I will be like I want to show you the implementation of merge and center. Okay, so what is merge and center? I am typing the sentence like Gaurav has 3 pencils. Okay, this is the sentence. Now I want to like bold it like this. Okay, but here if I'm clicking here, the italic thing is not working. So what I will do, I will click here, I will select all 3 cells and I will go on merge center. Now it is selected as a complete cell. Though there are 3 separate cells, we are able to select it as a single one. Is it clear?
Clear.
Others?
Clear.
Others? See, if you are sitting here, don't listen the kirtan and pravachan. Please be interactive. Others? Others, are you able to understand this? Okay, as I'm asking the question, they are leaving. Oh, no problem. Those who are here, are you able to understand this thing? Yes, no. Please type in chat box. Okay. Please type in chat box. Others, like I'm waiting for responses. I will not go ahead. few more. Okay. Okay. So, have you implemented this at your end? Anyone? Have you implemented these things at your end? किसने किया है अपने साइड से ट्राई? या रियांग, श्रीनिवास, गौतम?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Is it
Yes,
working?
brother.
Is it working at your end?
I don't
Yes,
have a
Bhaiya.
laptop currently.
Okay, okay. So those who are having laptop, please make sure it is working. If it is not working, please tell me. Okay. So these are the merge and center thing. Now we will move ahead with next concepts. Like we have covered data types. Like I will not cover this thing. Like font, ये font ऐसे change करते हैं, ये bold ऐसे करते हैं, italic ऐसे करते हैं. मैंने आपको shortcuts बताया इसके लिए. लेकिन I won't cover the like thing. These things you have already learned in your Word and Microsoft PowerPoint वगैरह. So I'm not going to cover those things. So yes, next thing is I had covered the alignment. I have covered the color. I have covered the background colors, and now we will go to borders. Okay, so borders is important because Excel में पहले से डब्बा डब्बा है. आपको उसमें क्या करना है? आपको उसमें टेबल्स वगैरह बनाने पड़ते हैं डेटा वगैरह के, तो वहाँ पे बॉर्डर्स इज लाइक इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. So what I will do, I will type name and PRN. Yeah, so name A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. PRNR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have to let apply the borders. Okay. So what I will do, I will select कैसे किया, select का भी shortcut है मैं बता दूंगा. ठीक है. I will select, I will click Alt H C. Now I had learned the shortcuts, so I will not use mouse again. Keep this in mind. When you learn the shortcuts, you need not to touch your mouse. So Alt H, and for borders it's B. For outer borders, just check outside border. Outside border, where it is? It is it is at S. Like see S outside borders. So I had typed S. Please check. Is it applicable? Yes, it's applicable. Now I will select PRN and name, and again I will do the same thing. RHBS. Finished. अभी मुझे बीच में एक लाइन चाहिए. ठीक है. So what I will do, I will select PRN, complete thing. Again Alt H B, and I want the left border. So L. See, is it clear? The bordering.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay, you can apply the thick border and other things. Okay, I will show you. So see, Alt H B, and thick, for thick it is T. So thick border. ठीक है, थोड़ी thick होगी वो outer side border. So these are the borders for shortcuts. Now मैंने बोला था select का बताऊंगा. So I will do one thing. I will again type names A. All में type करता, ठीक है. B C D E F G H I J K L. हाँ, सिलेक्ट कैसे करते हैं फास्ट में. देखिए, डाउन का बटन दबाया कीबोर्ड पे तो यू आर गेटिंग लाइक नेक्स्ट सेल, नेक्स्ट सेल, नेक्स्ट सेल, नेक्स्ट सेल, नेक्स्ट सेल, नेक्स्ट सेल, नेक्स्ट सेल. Do one thing, press shift and go down. So it is getting selected. Press shift, go down. Keep your shift pressed. Okay, go down, go down, go down. It is getting selected. But here also you have to do one by one. Okay, एक के बाद एक आना पड़ रहा है ना. शिफ्ट दबाने के बाद एक बार दबाओ, दूसरी बार दबाओ. अगर मुझे पूरा रो एक झटके में सिलेक्ट करना है तो प्रेस कंट्रोल शिफ्ट डाउन. क्लियर. अभी इन सारों को मुझे बोल्ड करना है तो सिलेक्ट तो कर लिया मैंने, Alt H1 करता. Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay. When you are giving interviews for data analysts, for business analysts, for such posts, like they will be expecting these things from you in seconds. I will give you my personal experience. When I was interviewed, they told me to like there were 10,000 rows, and what they told me to color them on the basis of their ranks. Okay, the names were there and the ranks were there. They told me to color them on the basis of rank. Like first 100 should be colored as green, next 100 should be greater as colored as light green, then red, orange, in such a way. And they had given me a time of 10 seconds. So it is like impossible to think like in this way. It's in such speed it is impossible to think like. For this purpose you have to well aware with the shortcuts. Okay, एक बार सीख दिया तो लिख के नोटबुक पे छोड़ दिया कुछ नहीं होने वाला. लिख के नोटबुक पे छोड़ दिया तो वो नोटबुक पे ही रहेगा. उसको आपको बार 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 प्रैक्टिस करते रहना पड़ेगा. ओके, नाउ माय नेक्स्ट टास्क इज कि ये सारे नेम को मैं सेंटर लाइन करूं. मैं नेम पे जाऊंगा, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट डाउन, अल्ट एच ए सी. अंडरस्टूड दिस? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, that clear.
Okay.
Yes, clear.
Next thing is that कि हाँ, if I am on last cell, okay, मैं I पे हूँ, मुझे A पे जाना है without selecting, मुझे कोई select नहीं करना है, मुझे N name पे जाना है. So what I will do, instead of pressing Shift and Control like at a time, I will just press Control and up button. Understood? Direct name पे आ गया मैं. Select नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ name पे आया. Select करते हो क्या करना है? I will write here. Okay. For selecting the thing, what are the shortcut? Like Shift plus Control plus up button or up or down. Okay, ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो तो up या फिर up, कोई भी. ठीक है. अगर आपको सिर्फ ऊपर जाना है, to go on first cell of row, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? To go on first cell of the row, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको सिर्फ कंट्रोल प्लस अप या फिर डाउन दबाना पड़ेगा. इज इट क्लियर? These are the two shortcuts for selecting and going up.
हाँ भैया.
ओके. सो एक मैंने यहाँ पे चीज की, वो कैसे कि आधे लोगों के दिमाग में थोड़ा क्वेश्चन होगा कि हाँ, मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम लिखता हूँ मैं, डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर टेक्नोलॉजिकल यूनिवर्सिटी. और मुझे किसी ने बोला है कि नेक्स्ट, मतलब एम में अगर आपने यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम लिखा तो एन में आपको यूनिवर्सिटी कहाँ पे वो लिखना पड़ेगा. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ लोनेरे. लिखने के बाद मेरा ये सिर्फ बाबा साहब दिख रहा है. सारी चीजें मैं एक झटके में कैसे दिखाऊं एक ही सेल में. तो इसके लिए शॉर्टकट्स है. इसके लिए आपको ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा wrap text. wrap text क्या करता है देखिए वहां पे, लाइक जो टेक्स्ट गायब हो चुकी है सेल में से उसको वो नीचे एग्जिस्ट करता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज wrap text. वहां पे लिखा हुआ है wrap extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. That is wrap text. So how to do it? Like go on that cell, click Alt H and W. Is it clear?
Yes भैया.
हाँ, यहाँ पे भी थोड़ी गड़बड़ है.
Yes.
बाबा साहा आ गया है और ईबी इधर आ गया. तो इसको कैसे करें एडजस्ट? इसको थोड़ा विड्थ वगैरह बढ़ा दो. So this is Excel, and this effect in this way you can work on Excel effectively. Is it clear till now?
Clear.
हाँ भैया.
Okay. Now we will go for like automations, like how to use automations here. Like, I told you to write, like, let's say I had given you a task. What is the task? You have to type numbers from 1 to 20. So normally what you will do, you will type 1, then you will type 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, let's say 15, up till 15 only. Okay. If I know Excel, what I will do, I will type 1, I will type 2, I will select this, I will drag this down. Finished. Okay. 100 तक बोलने को ना तो दिन भर लिखते बैठोगे. अगर मुझे 100 तक बोला है तो what I will do, I will just select last 2 or 3. ये लो 300 तो हो गए. जहां तक आपको चाहिए आप कर सकते हो. सीरियली हो जाते हैं प्रिंट. Is it clear? This is called as drag down. Is it clear? You have to just click
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the corner
Clear.
and you have to like drag down. ये अच्छा ठीक है. ये वर्टिकली हो गया. हॉरिजॉन्टली कैसे करते हैं? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. हॉरिजॉन्टली मुझे 10 तक चाहिए तो इसको पकड़ो ऐसे खींचो 10 तक हो गया. ओके. यू कैन डू इट एंड यू कैन डू इट इन एनी फॉर्मेट. लाइक अगर मुझे वीक डेज लिखने, ठीक है, वीक डेज मतलब लेट्स से आज की तारीख क्या है, सेकेंड ऑफ अप्रैल 2022. Tell me what will be the date on next Saturday. I know it very well. It is 8. Okay, it is 8. नाउ मुझे अगले मतलब सैटरडे ऐसी चीजें चाहिए, तो आई विल सिलेक्ट दिस एंड आई विल ड्रैग इट डाउन.
दादा नेक्स्ट सैटरडे 9 है, 9 अप्रैल.
It is 9. Okay, sorry. So it is 9. So do one thing, select this and drag it down. These are the Saturdays. Okay, I think most probability these are correct. Please
Okay.
check.
Yeah, right.
Checking
Check.
your calendars. Please check. I think it is correct, but still. Yes, it is correct.
सही है,
2,
सही
9,
है.
16, 23, 30. Yeah. Okay. So these are in this way you can automate the things. Okay. Saturday हो गया. अगर मुझे alternate date चाहिए तो मैं 2/4/2022 लिखूंगा और मुझे लिखना है 4/4/2022. भैया आपने 2 क्यों लिखे, 3 क्यों नहीं लिखे? क्योंकि आपको एक बार एक्सेल को बताना पड़ता है पैटर्न. इन 2 सेल्स के बेसिस पे वो पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेता है और उस पैटर्न को वो आगे कंटिन्यू करता है. सो देखते हैं. देखिए 2 का फर्क है. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Is it clear?
Clear.
Are you people
Yes,
enjoying the session? My next question. Are you people enjoying the session? Or it is getting boring?
No, Dada, enjoying.
Okay.
We are trying side by side.
Others.
Just one problem is there, Dada.
Okay.
Each and everything we can't perform right now. We are taking time.
Okay.
Yeah, भैया.
No
It's slow.
issue. Like we are recording the session. Okay. Previous session we haven't recorded. This session is being recorded. So this will get
Okay, then.
uploaded on YouTube. Okay. You can watch it later on also. So these are the things. See, I can go slow, but like then it will take like 6 months to cover Excel. There is so much to cover in Excel. I think I had shown you my dashboard, how dashboarding is done in Excel. So it is like tough task. To reach up till that point, then we will take 6 months. So that's why we are going fast. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay, no
the
problem.
recordings will be provided. Okay. Now this was about the auto completion or auto typing. Okay. Now next part is like formulas. Okay, formulas. Okay. So I think formulas is not for today's topic. We will cover it later on. I will see whatever things I can do today. अच्छा, चलो मैं एक ये लेता हूँ, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, रैंडम नंबर्स लेता हूँ. ठीक है. So my random number will be like 12 again, 14, 78, 96, 85, 74, 12, 123, 52, 10. These are my random numbers. Now what my task is, I have to color the numbers that are greater than 50 in red. Okay, this is my task. So what I will do, I will select this thing and I will go in conditional formatting. ठीक है, conditional formatting. यहाँ पे मुझे जाना है न्यू रूल में. मेरा खुद का रूल है ना, दैट इज ग्रेटर देन वगैरह. सो न्यू रूल में जाना है, वहां पे आके क्या करना है, तो यूज द फॉर्मूला टू डिटरमिन लाइक हाँ, above certain value I need something. So above the average, no, it is not there. Like yes, cell value greater than 50. Understood? Format only cell that contains में जाके cell values that are greater than 50. फॉर्मेट कैसे करना है? नो फॉर्मेटिंग सेट, मतलब कोई फॉर्मेटिंग सेट की नहीं है अब तक, तो अब हम जाके उसको सेट करेंगे. तो फॉर्मेट को सेट करेंगे, फिल करना है उसको किसके साथ? रेड के साथ. ठीक है. पैटर्न कलर थोड़ा सा ये ले लेंगे, मतलब येलो वगैरह. पैटर्न स्टाइल नो, वी डोंट नीड पैटर्न कलर. बैकग्राउंड वो आ जाएगा. पैटर्न कलर नहीं चाहिए. फॉन्ट बोल्ड चाहिए मुझे. फॉन्ट का कलर जो चाहिए मुझे वो चाहिए येलो. अंडरलाइन चाहिए क्या? हाँ, सिंगल अंडरलाइन दे दो, तो इस तरह से दिखेगा कुछ तो भी. ठीक है. सो वी विल लाइक प्रेस ओके एंड वी विल अगेन प्रेस ओके. सी, इज इट वर्किंग? 50 के ऊपर के सारे नंबर रेड में आ गए हैं. इज इट क्लियर टू यू पीपल? लाइक you will not get it in a single go. You have to practice. I will show it again, but tell me, is it clear to you? Like basic idea आ गया क्या?
हाँ भैया।
हाँ भैया।
बेसिक आइडिया आ गया आप लोगों को? ओके, थैंक यू। नाउ I will type other numbers like 45, 87, 96. Now you people tell me, what pattern should I use? Please tell me. क्या करूं? आप बताओ, मैं करके बताता हूँ। एक मैंने 50 के ऊपर का देखा था। Tell me anything.
3 डिजिट नंबर को हाईलाइट कीजिए।
किसको?
3
3
डिजिट
डिजिट
नंबर।
नंबर।
3 digit number. It is like easiest. 3 digit नंबर कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं? 99 के ऊपर के सारे 3 digit। तो जाओ कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग में जाओ, न्यू रूल क्रिएट करो, सेल दैट कंटेंट में जाओ, सेल वैल्यूज दैट आर ग्रेटर देन दैट आर ग्रेटर देन 99।
भैया ये दिख रहा।
Wait. Those who is one who is asking question, please wait. I will answer. Go on red. Okay. See, 3 digit number हो गया। हाँ, please ask.
We could not see that you selecting the colors.
Yeah. I think I have to present my whole screen. Sorry, yeah. Wait. I think this was the issue last time also. आपको दिखा नहीं था, correct? Entire screen
हाँ
present
हाँ
करनी पड़ती है उसके लिए।
हाँ भैया।
I think now my entire screen is visible.
हाँ अभी है।
हाँ अभी है।
तो इसको मैं एक बार फॉर्मेटिंग इसकी क्लियर कर देता हूँ। क्लियर फॉर्मेट्स, ओके। सो इसको सिलेक्ट करने के बाद कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग में जाके न्यू रूल क्रिएट करना है। ये न्यू रूल का एक अलग विंडो होता है, तो मैंने विंडो शेयर की थी तो आपको वही दिख रहा था, ये नहीं दिख रहा था। यहाँ पे जाके फॉर्मेट ओनली सेल दैट कंटेंट में जाके आपको क्या चाहिए? 3 डिजिट नंबर। 3 डिजिट नंबर कहाँ से शुरू होता है? 99 के ऊपर के सारे 3 डिजिट। सो ग्रेटर देन, सॉरी, हाँ, सेल वैल्यू दैट आर ग्रेटर देन 99। फॉर्मेटिंग सेट नहीं है, जाओ फॉर्मेटिंग सेट करो, उसको बोल्ड कर दो, कलर को रेड कर दो और ओके कर दो। ओके, योर टास्क इज डन। इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर, क्लियर।
हाँ भैया।
So this is called as conditional formatting. अभी डिलीट भी देख लेते हैं, ठीक है? डिलीट कैसे करते हैं? लेट से मुझे ए कॉलम डिलीट करना है, यहाँ पे जाओ और डिलीट मार दो डायरेक्टली, खलास। एथ कॉलम डिलीट हुआ क्या? नहीं, एथ कॉलम में जो वैल्यू थी वो डिलीट हुई और बी की वैल्यू ए में शिफ्ट हो गई। इज इट क्लियर? कभी कॉलम डिलीट नहीं होने वाला, कॉलम की वैल्यूज डिलीट होने वाली है। अगर आपको किसी ने बोला कि कैन यू डिलीट nth कॉलम इन स्प्रेडशीट, लाइक यू विल डायरेक्टली टाइप एमसीक्यू अगर है, आपको पूछा कि कैन यू डिलीट nth कॉलम एंड इट इज लाइक यस और नो, आप लोग जाके यस करके होंगे, लेकिन इट इज रॉन्ग। ओके, यू कैन नॉट डिलीट nth कॉलम, यू कैन डिलीट एंट्रीज इन nth कॉलम। इज इट क्लियर? I am talking
Clear.
about with respect to like interviewer, like he will ask you such questions, but you have to be precise while answering. You cannot delete nth column. You can delete the values or the data contained in nth column. Like, okay, रो के लिए भी वैसे, क्या रो डिलीट कर सकते हो क्या?
नहीं,
नहीं।
लेकिन उसका डेटा आप डिलीट
क्लिक
कर
कर
सकते।
सकते हैं।
अच्छा, can you insert the column? Like let's say I am having columns like name, class, PRN. Now between class and PRN, I want to add a column called as division. Okay, so मैं n पे क्लिक करूंगा, insert में जाके insert column, नया कॉलम ऐड हो गया। लेकिन अगर मैंने कंट्रोल से बैक स्पेस मतलब अंडू किया, अंडू करने के बाद मुझे क्या पता चलता है? पीआरएन पहले कहाँ पे था? एन में था। मैंने इंसर्ट कॉलम करने के बाद पीआरएन कहाँ पे गया? ओ पे गया
ओ।
और एन पे एक नया कॉलम आ गया। मतलब इंसर्ट कॉलम करने के बाद क्या होता है? एम और एन के बीच
वैल्यू
में एक
अगले
नया
वाले
कॉलम
कॉलम
आता
में
है क्या?
शिफ्ट होती है।
नहीं, जो कुछ एन की वैल्यूज है, मतलब एन कॉलम में जो कुछ भी था वो शिफ्ट होता है टू द राइट। इज इट क्लियर?
हाँ भैया।
Whatever
हाँ भैया, क्लियर है।
values you are having in n, it is getting shifted to o. So this is the thing. Next what we can do, like I will show you the auto sum. हाँ, ये सारे नंबर है भाई, इसके सम करके बताओ हमको। चलो, सो यहाँ पे आओ, ऑटो सम कर दो, ये है इसकी सम। इज इट क्लियर?
हाँ भैया।
डायरेक्टली जाके ऑटो सम पे क्लिक कर दो, कुछ भी टेंशन लेने का नहीं। सेलेक्ट वन ऑटो सम एवरेज, ये है उसका एवरेज। सेलेक्ट ऑटो सम कितने नंबर से, कितने हैं 10 नंबर से, लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। कितने डिजिट है, 10 डिजिट है। फिर से एक बार सिलेक्ट करो, मैक्सिमम नंबर कौन सा है, 789 इज मैक्सिमम नंबर, मिनिमम कौन सा है, 24 इज मिनिमम नंबर। इज इट क्लियर?
यस भैया।
हाँ भैया क्लियर है।
Okay, so this is what I was having for you people today. Now I will request the member of Team TechEdu to please stop the recording as I'm going to cover doubts. Okay, मैंने थोड़े डाउट्स आपके कम लिए जब पढ़ा रहा था तब, वो इसलिए क्योंकि रिकॉर्डिंग्स में फिर डाउट्स ज्यादा आ जाते हैं। ठीक है, दोज हु आर watching the recording they are getting like frustrated due to the doubts. I'm opening the house for doubts now.